People have spent more than $20 million on pot since the start of the new year.
Now some employees in Decatur won't have to worry about their job if they take part. ADM sent a letter to employees saying it would stop testing for THC. WCIA3's Andy Olson is live in our newsroom tonight. Andy, is this only for their employees in Illinois?
Well, Jessica, it also includes any state an employee is based in that allows recreational marijuana. For other states that haven't made it legal yet, they're still at risk of being tested. In Decatur, though, people are applauding the rollback of those rules. The largest employer in Decatur is no longer testing their employees for THC, an ingredient found in cannabis and other products. Brad Stewart of Decatur has friends and family who work with the food processor, and he's an advocate for the ability to use marijuana. He says more companies should take after their lead.
That's how I think it should be. They shouldn't be scared to get a job. They should be like, wow, sweet, that's one more barrier to me making a better life for me and my family. Sweet. That's how I would take it.
Employees of ADM won't have to take a pre-employment screening or worry about being picked for a random test. But there's still one way to get in trouble. That's for coming to your job high. ADM said in a statement, quote, while we are modifying some of our employee testing policies concerning THC as a result of these new laws, we are not changing our rules that forbid being under the influence of drugs or alcohol in the workplace. Employees who are suspected of that will have to take a drug test. Stewart says it's right to regulate it a lot like alcohol.
And if they're coming in impaired, there's no excuse. Then you go ahead, you get tested. If you're above the limit, that's that. It's a common sense thing. Just like, you know, going to the bar. If you drink too much, you drive home from the bar, you're going to get in trouble.
The Department of Transportation does regulate some of ADM's employees. New rules do not apply to them as they are federal jobs. Live in the newsroom, Andy Olson, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Andy, thank you. Even though ADM employees can now use marijuana, the sale of medical or recreational pot is still not allowed in Decatur. In March, people in Decatur Township will vote on whether or not they want to see it sold, and those results will go to City Council for consideration. Last October, Council voted against allowing sales.